4-digit additions in expanded form. Break down the numbers into thousands, hundreds, tens, and ones. The first number 6,612 has 6 thousands, 6 hundreds, 1 tens, and 2 ones. Revise expanded form first if you have difficulty in understanding this. The second number 2281 has 2 thousands, 2 hundreds, 8 tens, and 1 ones. We do addition by adding the ones together, then the tens together, and so on. Adding ones, we have 2 plus 1 is equal to 3 ones. Adding tens, we have 1 plus 8 is equal to 9 tens. Adding hundreds, we have 6 plus 2 is equal to 8 hundreds. Adding thousands, we have 6 plus 2 is equal to 8 thousands. So what is our answer? Eight thousands, 8 hundreds, 9 tens, and 3 ones. The answer comes to 8,893.